Adinath College of Education, Maharao, and today I will teach you English subject and our topic is preposition. So let us start our topic. Definition of a preposition. Prepositions are the words which are used to connect the different nouns, pronouns and phrase in a sentence. कि preposition है तो वो आपके वो शब्द होते हैं जिनका यूज हम कनेक्ट करने के लिए डिफरेंट नाउन्स को, प्रोनाउंस को एंड फ्रेज को सेंटेंस में करने के लिए करते हैं, वो प्रपोजिशंस होते हैं। एग्जांपल्स के लेंगे हम लोग, जैसे कि आपका ऑन, एट, बिकॉज, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स होते हैं। जैसे कि हम लोग जो डेफिनेशन पढ़ा था उसका काइंड्स यानी कि उसका टाइप्स कितने प्रकार के होते हैं, यानी कि प्रपोजिशन हम कितने प्रकार से होते हैं उसकी स्टडी करेंगे। तो इसके लिए हम सबसे पहले आएंगे सिंपल प्रपोजिशंस पर। तो सिंपल प्रपोजिशन को पढ़ने के लिए हमें इसका डेफिनेशन जानना होगा कि सिंपल प्रपोजिशन, दीज प्रपोजिशंस आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड by only one word। ऐसे प्रपोजिशन जो बनते हैं सिर्फ एक शब्द के द्वारा, like as on, at, about, with, after, for, etc. Okay, so these are the examples of the simple prepositions. We can take examples. He found the book about dogs on the table, comma, in the bedroom. Okay, so only one word on is used here, so we can say this is an example of simple preposition. Okay, we can say this is the example of simple preposition. And second one is double preposition. Double preposition means double. Okay, these prepositions are formed by combining two words. Okay, these prepositions are formed by two words combination or two simple preposition. Okay, when used two simple preposition or combination of two words, then double prepositions are formed. ठीक है, are formed. Example we can take into, within, upon, onto, etc. are the examples of the double preposition. Now we can take one example here. The dog jumped onto the bed, okay, and left mark upon the seat. So in this example, here we can see two preposition, onto, and second one is upon. So we can say double preposition are forming, okay, because here is the combination of two prepositions, onto and upon. So this is the example of double preposition. Now next, phrase preposition. What are the phrase preposition? So a combination of the preposition plus a modifier is the object. Combination of the preposition, a modifier plus the objects used to modify the nouns. Okay, word, clauses. So we can say the combination of the preposition, first is modifier and second one is object. Okay, used to modify the nouns, word or the sentence, and also complete clause. कि जब ये आपके कॉम्बिनेशन होता है इस तरह से प्रपोजिशन में, आपका मॉडिफायर प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट और यूज किया जाता है नाउन को, वर्ड को और सेंटेंस, और ऑल्सो कंप्लीट क्लॉज कि उसको हम कंप्लीट भी करते हैं। क्लॉज को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हम लोग किसको, चीज को मॉडिफाई करते हैं, नाउन को, वर्ड को। इस चीज के लिए किसका आपका कॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है, मॉडिफायर प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। तो ये आपका जो आपका डेफिनेशन था वो था फ्रेज प्रपोजिशन का, इसके हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं। यहाँ पर एट होम कॉमा विथ मी, एट होम विथ मी, from my father comma under the blanket etc. So here we use one sentence, the clothes left on the, okay, on the bed have been ironed and kept back. So here we can see the examples of or rules of phrase preposition. Now next, fourth is compound. Compound means mixing. So these prepositions are two word preposition according to example, because of, next to, due to. These are the examples of compound prepositions. Now we can take one example here. We can see he was upset. Okay, he was upset because of his son's behavior. So we can see two word prepositions according to, because of, next to, due to. These are the example. Okay, and we can see here one sentence, the using of these types of preposition. Okay, next class, participle prepositions. So the definition we can study here. Participle are actually verb that end with en or ing. Okay, considering, during, given, including. With the and, actually verb. Participle are actually verb that ends with en or ing, like as considering, ing, during, ing, given, en, and including ing. Okay, so we can read here the one example is given here. Considering what he had, considering ing, what he had to work with, he did a pretty good job. So this is the example of participle preposition. So today we studied about the prepositions. What are prepositions? The examples of preposition, types of preposition. So I think this is the good class and impressive class for all the students